Hi, my name is Aditya Tiwari, and today I'll be demonstrating the work I have accomplished in this semester. So the first user story that was assigned to me was the landing page tabs. So as you can see, these are the tabs and it explains the workflow for the process of patent to be filed. Second user story I worked was on the LinkedIn integration. For that, I made and added new field in the registration form. So as you can see here, there is a new tab to add your LinkedIn profile. Once a user enters all the details and creates an account, you can go to the account. I have already created an account and I'll be showing you. So once a user has been registered, you can go to the user profile and you can look here. We have the user's LinkedIn registered along with this. This user profile did not have any validations before, so I've also added validations in this form. To demonstrate one of those, we can check this one for now. So if I enter an erroneous data or an incorrect data, it won't allow me. So as you can see here, it says that LinkedIn URL is not valid. So I have also added the validations for other fields in the user profile update, that is for name, email ID, Panther ID, etc. So now if you enter a correct data, it will update your profile. The second thing was the LinkedIn search, and the user story was faculties can review student profile. So if you go under the review student tab when you're logged in as a professor, this will be the data that would be displayed. We can even search through for a user. So if you look for this user and if you click on the LinkedIn icon, then the professors can directly go to the student's profile. Also, the search field works efficiently. This page did not have any data tables and it did not display anything before. Another place where we populated the LinkedIn integration was the messaging form. So if you go under the projects and you select any of those project, maybe you will go to this one. Yeah, you go to LinkedIn testing. So here you can see there's an LinkedIn integration as well. Another user story that I worked was on admins can search and review application. So if you go under user messaging form and click on the search icon and look for the users, it shows you a list of the users, and again when you click on a user, it redirects you to their LinkedIn URL. And if a user does not have a LinkedIn account registered, it won't show you any LinkedIn account icons here, so that you don't end up clicking on a blank icon. Thank you.
Hello, I am Manas Mabuskar of Team Professors of Advanced Software Engineering class, and today I am going to show you the work I have done in this semester. So basically I was allotted the two tasks. First one is designing the landing page and second one is Selenium test. So starting off, I'll show you the task of designing the landing page. So we'll go to the patents and licensing tab, and here is the landing page, which contains three tabs: carousel and the drop downs. So clicking on this tabs will take you to the uh, respective searches and success stories. The next one is the carousel, which shows the all the information which is required for the users. And the last segment is the drop downs, which shows all the information which is required for the users. For example, the downloading to inventor disclosure form. If you want, if a professor wants to um, file for a patent, then if you want some more information, you can go to the patent policy, all these links. Also, if they want to search for a specific patent or some business search, they can use this search. Also, if you want to go to the start a FIU, they can go for that. And if they have any other queries, they can submit this inquiry form. This inquiry form that goes directly to the technology management and commercialization office, so that they can solve their queries. The reason we have created this landing page is that so that the users can get all the information they needed to file a patent and licensing, and also for the licensing purposes on the single page, as previously the information was scattered. The next part of my work is the Selenium part. In this part, I've conducted the Selenium test over all the parts of the landing page. Basically, Selenium test is an automated test which is used to uh, test all the features or the components of the specific page. For that purpose, I have used Java language. So we'll just run the script. I'll just show you the pattern search uh, test part. We'll run this. This testing is conducted on Chrome. So here's the Chrome browser. As you can see, it goes to the patents and licensing tab automatically. You can see here. Then it goes to patent search. Searches for Professor Sajdadi's um, patent. Here you go. There are the patents. Now let's view it. There you go. Those are the details, and then it closes off. So that's the work that I have done over this semester. For more inquiries, you can take my email. That's so I can spell it: mmhap001@redf5.edu. So thank you for watching this video.
Hello, my name is Juan Escobar and I'm part of the faculty team. I'll be showing you my work for this semester. For the success stories, I created a page where faculty members can see stories of other faculty members that have received a patent or a license. Not only can they see those stories, but they can also filter them. So instead of showing you all the stories, by entering part of the title, you're able to filter just by those that only have those things on their title. For example, I type in Renew and I only see Renew stories. At the bottom of this, I've added the show patents, which basically works with the Manuals API to show you all the licenses and patents given by the Florida International University Board of Trustees. So for adding more stories, I've created a form with Google that you're able to submit your information, as I'm doing right now, and then you're able to go to the Google Sheet, look at the responses, and if you like, once you want to add this response into your website, you will just go back to the Excel sheet of success stories and fill out the information. Once you fill out the information, it will automatically be added to the success stories page in the bottom as it shows here. This way, admin can easily approve and add new stories to the page as they please. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact me at my email, jesco088@fiu.edu. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Cesar Rojas and I'll be presenting this tutorial on Patent Business Search. The web page shown is the patents landing page on the VIP website. We can reach Business Search by clicking on the Business Search tab underneath the Patents and Licensing title. We could also reach it from the Fill Out the Form subsection in the patent landing page. We can now enter a search query in the search box and press on the magnifying glass to begin the search. We could also select a repository to search from. Currently, Yelp is the only business API implemented. We can now select rows by clicking on them and save them to our list here at the bottom. I removed all the businesses and I have now clicked on the Yelp logo burst to get to the Yelp page of the selected business. I can make another search and save those rows as well and copy them to the clipboard. The saved list will persist between searches, so you can continue to search and save businesses and paste them to your clipboard after clicking on the copy to clipboard button. This way you can quickly fill out your patent invention disclosure form. This same functionality exists in Patent Search. We can select rows, save as well. The user may now scroll through our results from Yelp. New results will load if you scroll outside of the visible list of rows. We can select these rows that are visible and save them. Make another search and save those rows to show that they do indeed persist between searches, and copy them as we have shown previously. These rows in the saved list can be individually removed or removed all at once.
Hello, my name is Emmanuel Niwama, and in this video I will present the tutorial for how to use the Patent Search Engine. To find the Patent Search Engine, a user must select the Patents and Licensing tab, and then select the Patent Search tab. Once they're on the right page, they can perform a basic search by entering a query into the text field, and then selecting the search button. An advanced search can be performed by opening the Advanced Search option window and entering the details before selecting the search button. Whenever a search is performed, a progress bar will appear to display the loading of the data. I will now perform an advanced search to find my professor's patent by entering his last name and the title of the document. Now that the search results have loaded, we can see some information about the patent. By selecting the green icon, we can open a window that will display additional details. We can also use the button in the View Document section to access the complete patent document. In this tutorial, we use the USPTO API as our search. By opening the selection menu, we can see the other API options. I will now perform a similar search with the EPO API. Now that the results have loaded, we can hover our mouse over the category identifier to view a short description of its meaning. We can also select it to see the full description. Next, we can select the link in the View Documents section to access the European Patent Office's version of the patent document. Some other features of the patent search engine are the ability to control what information is displayed in the table. And the option to choose how many results load per page. A feature added by my teammate Cesar Rojas is the ability to select patents from the search results and export them to a list. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for your time.